Hi everyone, I'm Roland, Managing Partner of CoCoon Ignite Ventures, and I'm a proud mentor of 92 Express.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. Welcome to our 92 Express series. Today we have invited Roland from CoCoon Ignite Ventures to come and share some tips with us. Hi Roland, startup need fundings, but how can I pitch my hardware startup at a very earliest stage?
I like that question a lot. Thank you so much. And as always, the most difficult question facing founders. What do you do when you have a great idea, but you have nothing to show for it yet you want to fundraise? What do you do in that situation? The advice I give many founders is what's most important regardless of where you are at the stage of your company, pre-product, ideation, or even well-developed, the vision of the company, of what you think the company should be, matters the most. So I would say being able to define and express that vision of why you're doing what you're doing and where you see the opportunity is probably the most important point in fundraising to convince investors that you have a view of where things should go, and that's why they should back you regardless of where you are in terms of the product. Now, it's not just any vision that matters. Of course, the vision must come from somewhere, and to demonstrate how you were inspired to come up with that vision or what you're observing in the world or in the particular market you're trying to build for or solve for is a very important element in explaining and showing that the vision isn't just some idea that came out of nowhere, but it's been well researched and well thought through. And I think demonstrating that kind of thought process and explaining that vision will be very helpful in fundraising, especially at a very early stage when you don't have a product yet.
Thank you, Roland. If you want to have a live chat with Roland, click the link at profile and join our 92 Express live session. If you find the video useful, comment, click like and share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.